Hello everyone, and welcome to an episode of Cooking with Kel. Today is Sunday, November the 8th, 2020, and the wait is over. I got my brand new pralines that I'm making. I told you about this about a week ago, and today is the night that I'm about to perform this here new flavored praline candy. I got one is going to be a French vanilla praline candy with pecans, and also I'm gonna do an eggnog. And the eggnog gonna be only for seasonal. It's gonna be for the holidays. You can make it if you can get the eggnog, you can. If you want to make it from scratch, you can. But the eggnog praline candy is gonna be seasonable. But the French vanilla is gonna be yearly, and there's gonna be two products that I created that I made. Because everybody else just got the regular pralines with the pecans, and you know, some got soft, some got regular chewy or whatever. Some even got it like taffy. But today I'm introducing to you guys two new flavors. One is a French vanilla, and the other one is going to be an eggnog praline. Nobody never thought about it. Nobody created it. I came up with the idea. It's my recipes, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this recipe. Everything is going to be in the description below, so stay tuned. I'm about to get ready to perform this for you. I'm going to show you the ingredients, everything you need. I just want y'all to know this is a test run, and also this is the first time it's been done, and I created it with my mind. I always think of new creations, and today, for 2020, November the 8th, I came out with this idea about 2 weeks ago. I was telling everybody that I was going to perform it, I was going to do it, and I was going to bring it to you guys. And tonight, the wait is over, and I'm going to bring you those pralines tonight. And mind that it's 11:07 tonight. It's Sunday, November the 8th, and it's 11:07. I got to be to work in the morning, but I'm still going to do this here praline candy tonight. So without further ado, let me get ready. And stay tuned for everything that I'm about to get ready to show you. Okay, folks, welcome back. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make these two praline candies. I put every ingredient in here, except the eggnog. The eggnog is going to be in the photo that I'm going to also have on this video. I don't want the eggnog to sit out, so... But these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 cans of Carnation evaporated milk. You're going to need some French vanilla coffee powder. You're going to need some, also you can use the French vanilla creamer. You're going to need some vanilla extract. You can use Imitation, pure vanilla. I save my pure vanilla for good stuff. You're going to need some sugar, brown sugar, white sugar. You're going to also need some pecans for this recipe. So this is going to be the first time this recipe ever been created and done. And I'm the one who created and thought of it. So I'm the one who's making it. And once I get it, because right now it's a test run. Nobody haven't did it. I got to still see how all the content's going to hold together. So once I perform this and at the end, we're going to see how it come out. And if it's a hit, and once I pass it out and let everybody taste it, if it's a hit, we're going to sell these bad boys. I'm going to market these bad boys for you. And also in my description and my link, I'm going to leave the links and stuff with you in my description. So that way, if y'all want to purchase some, order some, y'all will be able to do this. But remember, the eggnog praline is going to be seasonable. Now, I can do it yearly, but I have to make the eggnog from scratch. And well, like I said, I'm going to make this a seasonal thing for the holidays. Because the holidays getting ready to come up, so I like to create things, and I'm going to create this here. But these are all the ingredients you're going to need, folks. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with you. We're going to start cooking this bad boy. All right, folks, as you can see, I just added the 1 cup of sugar, the brown sugar. I did 1 cup of white sugar. I also added the butter because in the ingredients I forgot to tell y'all about. You're gonna need a stick of butter, but I only use half of the butter. So I also incorporated some vanilla extract, and I also did the French vanilla coffee powder. So I'm stirring this stuff as we go speak now. As you can see, you got a nice little dark color, almost look like a gravy. But once everything, you just keep stirring, make sure nothing to stick, and continue making this candy. You're gonna it's gonna thicken up. Like I said, once it comes to a boil and when it get thick like gravy, then you're gonna add the pecans. The pecans going last. So everything else is incorporated into this pot with for to make this here French vanilla praline candy. As you can see, it's getting a little thick. We're just trying to make sure that you stir it because you don't want it to start scorching at the bottom. So I'm gonna keep stirring this here. So once it starts getting thick, I'm gonna come back to you and show you how it look when it start getting thick. And then we're gonna complete this here first round of pralines. This here is the new flavored French vanilla pralines with pecans. So stay tuned and I'll be back. All right, folks and everyone, just this is the final presentation of the eggnog pralines and also the French vanilla pralines. The pink tray is the eggnog pralines that I made and created, and also the French vanilla pralines is what I made and created. No one ever thought about this but me. So I'm putting it out there. They taste beautiful. Also in the description box, I'm gonna have the recipe and also the ingredients and how to make this praline candy. 2 new flavors, so still your traditional pralines. I got the eggnog pralines with the pecans in it, and also I got the French vanilla pralines with the pecan in it. You can use any nut you want. I like pralines. Sometimes I might use walnuts. And for the French vanilla, I'm going to also try to do one with almonds in it, because I do like almonds as well. And with the eggnog, it's going to be traditional. Like I said, the eggnog that's going to be traditional. It's going to be seasonal, like for the holidays. So this is the new eggnog praline that I created. No one else thought about this. I looked it up. I did my research on it. I never heard nobody to do any flavors besides the regular traditional praline. So eggnog pralines, folks. And here go your French vanilla pralines, folks. I created this, the mastermind of my mind with cooking. I wanted to try something different with the praline candies because, like I said, I haven't heard any flavors besides soft and chewy. These here are your regular traditional pralines, but these eggnog, French vanilla. So have you hear it here first. Just wanted to do something different and try something different. So I created these pralines, so I'm gonna also market it. I'm gonna be taking some to my coworkers and some of the folks at the house too as well. Let them taste it and see what their opinion and what they think of it. And I'm gonna start selling these bad boys. Once I market it and get the price of how I know the traditional pralines usually run you about $1.75, $2. It depends on what market and what store you go to. But I'm gonna let you guys know that, like I said in the description box, that if you want to place an order, you can. Everything gonna be in the description box, folks. But you heard it here first. You seen it here first. Eggnog pralines and French vanilla pralines. Nobody else ever thought about it. Nobody done it but me. Your boy, Cooking with Kale. Just wanted to bring another video to y'all. And just wanted to let y'all know this is the end and the conclusion of this video. Also got some extras right here, but these here is the French vanilla, and I got the other ones in the oven cooling off, and that's going to be the eggnog praline. So look at it, and I know it. I'm just gonna break a little piece off right here. Boom. Can't wait for the holidays, baby. November. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And these bad boys here hitting. I kid you not. These bad boys, I outdone myself this time. And also, I tasted these early. Coffee drinkers, you're going to love this here. French vanilla. All you coffee drinkers out there. French vanilla, rolling. Eggnog, oh, you just can't beat it. Like I said, I'm the first to do it. So, until next time, Peace. Love you guys. And I'll be coming on with some more videos on different desserts and also my cooking methods with different meals and different holiday traditional stuff too as well. But for today, like I said, I've been promising y'all this video for to bring y'all these pralines for about 2 weeks now. So here it is. I did it. I'm proud of myself. I tip my hat off to myself. I just keep creating goodness, and these bad boys are so good, you know. So I'm gonna let y'all guys taste it, and I'm also let y'all guys try to learn how to cook this, and y'all can bring it to y'all families and all that too as well. I'm not stingy with that, but I'm going to market these bad boys. Man, it's so good. I want to eat a whole one, but it's kind of late, and as you see on the stove, it's 1:11 a.m. and I got to go to work in the morning. So I'm about to end this video, and like I said, I'll see y'all later with some more recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to my page on YouTube as Calvin Ramsey. And also I'm on YouTube, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter. So until next time, guys, peace out. I'm about to go my behind nine and go to sleep. And I might just sneak and eat one more, but I think I'm gonna eat this here eggnog, because now I got that eggnog taste in my mouth and I wanna chop on that. So folks, it's been real, it's been fun, and I'm going to edit this video and I'm gonna bring it to y'all on YouTube. So like I said, look in the description box for the recipes for everything that I put today on here, and also the flavors and the ingredients. So that way, if you guys want to learn how to make it, you can. And I'm gonna have the ingredients and step-by-step instruction on how to make these praline candies. Once again, eggnog pralines and French vanilla. First time in history somebody doing flavors, and that's me. For 2020, November, your boy did it. See you later. Bye.